basic footwork, 6 count. And remember, when we say tap, you don't put any weight on the foot, and it's always close to the other foot. And it goes just like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, tap, step, tap, step. 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 All right, this is the footwork for the inside turn. It's exactly the same footwork as when we're just doing our steps in open position without doing any turning. The only difference now is we're moving. And again, you tap close to the other foot without putting any weight on it. Then you step down. It goes just like this for the inside turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, tap, side, tap, and turn. Do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, tap, side, tap, and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, tap, side, tap, and face. Right from there, again, the same exact footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, tap, side, tap, and face. We'll do one basic in place, one inside turn footwork, one basic again without the hands. So basic, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, tap, step, tap, step. Here's the inside turn. Tap, step, and a basic. Rock, step, tap, step, tap, step. Good. Right from this side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic, tap, step, inside turn, tap, step, and a basic. Tap, step, step. All right, guys. One of the problems a lot of beginners sometimes encounter is getting the hands caught when they do the inside turn. So one thing I want you to think about leads is you don't want to hold on. Actually, you're going to kind of let go, but maintain skin contact. So here's a little drill. You have to rotate the hand immediately as you raise, so that way you don't hurt her fingers. So here's what I mean. All I'm doing is just lifting the hand up and turning the palm forward, my thumb going down. We'll do that again. So if I was lifting the hand for the inside turn, I'd be turning it up. Kind of looks like an upward block in karate or something, but that's exactly what we're doing. See, from here, I lift up, turn the palm forward. Once again, up and turn the palm forward. All right, we're gonna put that principle as far as rotating the hand while maintaining contact without holding, without gripping, right here. We're going to do this inside turn without the footwork. Once again, we're not going to worry about the footwork right now. We're just going to get the hands. So I'm going to lift up, and I have to rotate immediately. To protect her shoulder, she points her elbow down. My elbow points outward. That way I give her enough space. Once again, from here, lifting up and rotating. And then, you notice my thumb isn't locked in on her. I can't lock in my thumb because that'll hurt her. I'm going to turn her towards my right, like this, and then down. So that's basically how you do the inside turn. Once again, we'll do right from here, lifting up, rotate the hand, and turn her to the right. We'll do it from the other side. Go ahead and switch places, please. Good. So again, get one thing at a time. If you've never danced before, get the hands or get the feet, and then you put them together. So right now we're getting the hands up, rotate the hand, turn her to the right. Good. One last time. Up, rotate the hand, turn her to the right. Now, again, we're doing this without footwork, but we're going to add something to it. I usually do a turn, or actually, I always do a turn off of the rock step because that creates momentum. So now, without necessarily exacting footwork, I'm going to do a little gentle push back, pull forward. Gentle. So that way she'll dance with me again. Okay? So a gentle push back. But you notice the elbow's still bent. We don't fully lock it out. Bent. pull forward, that creates the momentum. Now I lift up and rotate and turn. Push, pull, up, and turn. Push, pull, up, and turn for the inside turn. We'll do it from the other side. Push, pull, up, and turn. Push, pull, up, and turn. This is a medium shot, so you're not going to really be able to see our footwork in this. You're going to see that in the full shot, but for right now, this is how it works with the footwork. Push, pull, up, and turn, and then we'll do it right from here with the actual footwork, rock step. There you go, rock step, tap, step, tap, step. I have to say it to myself. Rock, step, tap, step, tap, step. And then, of course, you would lead your basic. And then we're going to break that down with our full shots coming up.
And ladies, our hand holding is pretty simple. Just like the guys, you're not going to lock down your thumb onto the guy's hand. And the other key is just to keep your arm relaxed. You're going to give him a little bit of pushback from your hand so he can lead you. Sometimes you've heard that referred to as your frame. But you don't want your arm really tense. You don't want to fight him. In fact, the more relaxed you are, the easier it'll be to follow and for him to lead.
Once you get used to moving while maintaining that footwork, that's what makes it tricky, because moving around while doing the footwork makes it tricky. Then you can try it with the hands. Remember, for this one, we're pushing into each other, and I'm pushing into her palms. She's pushing into my fingers, and I'm keeping this at her waist level. And also, we always keep the bend in our elbows, so I never want to fully lock out when I push her back. Yeah, we're both going basic. Back, step, tap, step, tap, step. I push and I pull in, tap, tap, step, and I push again for the basic. I'll do that again with her. That's our basic. This is the inside turn and a basic again. You notice Diana keeps her elbows bent and she keeps her elbow pointing down, which is very good. It keeps her shoulder safe. Do that one more time. Step, tap, step, rock, step, step, tap, step. And that is the basic double time and also the double time inside turn. And you'll see this in a lot of after school dance show clips. Okay, so this is what American kids did between 57 and 62.